In this learning, we're going to show you some tips about the main menu in Wise Option. As you can see, I intentionally had some tabs already open before starting the lesson. So I have a few patients with some options and customers. I could go to customer accounts and have some navigations over here. I have my calendar. So I have several things going on at the same time. My navigation tip today is about going down here. If I hover the mouse on top of the Wise Option icon, I can go back to the main screen and from there access my main menu and do whatever I want. So I can go here and open the calendar or go to a different modules like price checking or recurring, open the tools and go for billing or options. But what happens is that I would like to access that menu still here from this screen. And there's a way for you to do that. So all you have to do is from any tab here on the first level tab. This is the first level, this is the second level, and sometimes you can have third, fourth levels. On the first level, any tab, I'm going to use the right click on my mouse. And when I use the right, not left, but the right click on my mouse, this little menu pops up, and from here I can use the main menu. So suppose that I want to go to the recurring module. I go to procedures and I go to recurring and I open the recurring, which is the boarding module, in a new tab. The whole idea is to access the main menu from the tab. So you just right click and you can have the main menu right here at your fingertips. So the way you do this is just hover. Oh, I want to open a new customer account, open in a new tab. So the new customer is right here. You can do your search or simply select and you go from there. So today you've learned how to access the main menu for Wise Option without leaving the current window on your screen. Thanks for watching.